Hello, welcome to the next session of the course Systemverilog Verification Master Object Oriented Programming Concepts. Here you will be learning the concepts of inheritance in object oriented programming. This is an important concept in test bench writing, which is very much useful in using any methodology like OVM or UVM in your test bench code. So inheritance is a property of object oriented programming which allows a class, say class B, to acquire all the properties of another existing class, say class A, without redefining them if it is derived from the existing class. So what does this statement means? Assume you have a class named A which has many properties. The properties of the class are the member variables and the member functions. So if you want to define another class B again which is having some common properties that is A, then you can inherit this second class, the B class, from the first class or the A class. In that case, you don't need to redefine all the properties that you have defined in the base class or in the A class. This will be more clear for you when you go through an example in the next slide. The class whose properties are inherited by the other class is called the base class or the parent class or the superclass, and the class which inherit the properties of the base class are called the derived class or child or subclass. So these terms are used in pairs. Base and derived, parent and child or super and subclasses are referred to refer the first defined class and the second class which inherited the first class. So in Systemverilog, how to define an inherited class? So we use the keyword extend to derive a class from its base class. So if you are defining a class like my class B extends my class A. So this should be your first statement in defining the class. So my class B is extending from my class A. So in this example, A is the base class, my class A is the base class or the parent class, and my class B is the derived class or the child class. And we use inheritance in our code to make our code writing more easy and maintaining more easy, and also to reuse the code functionality which is already defined in our code. As I said in the beginning of this session, this is an important concept in test bench coding, especially when you use a standard Systemverilog methodology like UVM or OVM.